Hello and welcome to my video on how to fit some machine art X-head covers to a BMW R1200RS. So the first step, we're going to undo this T25 screw here. This holds on the spark plug cover. Just get that off. Next stage is to undo this rear rocker cover bolt here. It's a T50. Just going to undo that. And then you might find that the washer's just a bit stuck. So just to show you the difference, in the kit you get some new, or one new bolt for each side, which is slightly longer. We need to reuse this rubber seal and this washer. So what we're going to do is we'll just spray, you can use a bit of WD-40, GC85 or some light engine oil. And we need to get this over there. So the best technique is to just sort of dance it over like that. And then the next stage is we're going to put the new bolt through the back mounting. Then we can put the washer on. Again, just put a bit of lube on that. Just spray it down the centre there. Make sure you get this round the right way and just push against something. Just push it on over. And obviously you need to make sure that that is going to locate inside that washer. It's like a cupped washer. And just one other thing I've noticed on these, this middle bit comes out and you can see it's got little mounting or locating pegs. So we just need to make sure that when we fit that, that actually stays in the correct position. Okay, so we're ready to refit it on the bike. Just one note, it's really hard to show, but you've got the thread that this goes into, the hole in there is actually a smaller hole than the bigger hole, so you just kind of need to be patient and get it as central as you can. So I've made sure that my cup washer and my rubber seal are in the correct place. This is sitting in its little pegs. So what I'm going to do is just pop that in the hole first, and then dance that around the front like that, and then just try and hold the bolt central and just start it by hand. And we're just going to do this up, not do it right up yet, we're just going to leave it in there just so this moves around a bit. So now we can refit the previously removed T25 Torx. So that one goes in the front. Again, you might have to just dance it around a little bit just to, it's a very fine thread, so you want to make sure that you do start this by hand. I won't tighten it fully just yet. And then using the new supplied T25 screw, we're going to have to get this in the bottom. Again, it's a bit of a fine thread. And it's on a slight angle as well. But again, you want to start this by hand. You don't want to cross thread it. Having got all these fixings in now, just that one at the back and the one at the front and the one underneath, it's quite important that we don't over tighten this bolt because you'll easily snap it or strip it. The torque figure is 10 Newton meters and I strongly advise you use a torque wrench. If you haven't got a torque wrench, you're going to have to just do it by feel. Now we can tighten up this bolt at the front. Again, you don't need to get too mad with these. They're only a small fine thread. And lastly, we can just do up this bottom T25. So again, same as the other one, don't go too nuts with it. It's only a small thread and it's quite fine, so just nip it up. I won't show you how to do the other side because it's exactly the same, but I think you'll agree that now they're fitted, it's going to give a worthwhile bit of protection in case of the worst of a low speed drop. They do look quite smart, to be honest with you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you find this video useful, and until next time, goodbye.